Hey guys, in this video I will explain and cover the basics of footprint chart or order flow trading, and I will explain the order flow trading on live chart with live example. So basically order flow trading is advanced trading strategy and is very beneficial to find a good entry. So I will discuss the order flow trading in detail, but before that you have to understand what actually is a footprint chart and what is the difference between a candlestick chart and a order flow trading chart. As you can see, we have some numbers over here. So what these number indicates, before that you have to read this line or this paragraph. Actually, the footprint chart is a special chart form of candlestick formation. The traded volume of contract is graphically displayed on the bid and ask pages. You get a direct insight into the volume traded on the exchange. So what does that mean? If we look over to footprint chart or order flow chart, as you can see, if you look over to this candlestick over here, this one, as you can see, this is the candlestick, and everyone is pretty familiar with this candlestick body. So this is the candlestick that we are generally see in tradings. And what are these number mean over here? If you look over to these number, these are the, you can say, these are the bid contracts. So these are the bid contract over this price range. If you look over to this price range, and these are the bid contracts. Bid contracts mean they are the seller. Simply you can say that the number in the left side are seller and the number in the right side are buyer or the ask price or the ask contracts. So these are the ask side, or and this is the bid side. Or simply if you want to sum up these number, or the definition of these number, you can simply say that the number on the left side, as you can see from these or these number on the candlestick left side, are sellers, and the number on the right sides are buyer. So as you can see, uh, in compared to traditional candlestick chart, we can actually see what actually happening inside a candlestick chart. So you will get a advantage over a traditional candlestick. So you will get a live price action or live, you can say, traded volume. So you will get a better view what actually happening inside the candle. So as you can see, let me discuss the advantages of candlestick chart first, then I will go in detail how I take entries with the help of uh, those uh, footprint chart. So as you can see, in advantages, you can detect the traded volume at any price. So analyze the behavior of other market participants, get a direct insight into the pricing. You can develop trading strategy based on the market participants. So what actually this mean? And in this video I will just cover a one strategy. In other video I will discuss more trading strategy with this footprint chart, but for this video session I will discuss only the volume imbalance. So let me open the chart first. Let me, so wait a second. So what is actually a imbalance? As you can see, in imbalance, you can see that at this price range over here, let me clear the drawing, then I will explain what is a imbalance, what is a volume imbalance, and how I take entries with the help of imbalance. So actually if you look over to this candlestick over here, over this zone, as you can see that at the right side there are no buyers. As you can see, these are 000, and on the left side you can see these are the sellers, and these sellers are, at this price range, taking, or you can say placing the orders aggressively. As you can see, these are the sellers, the red highlighted is the seller. So I have set the percentage of those seller to 400, and different software provide the facility to increase or decrease the ratio. So you can choose and you can change the percentage accordingly with the help of those software. So these let me clear the drawing again. So as you can see from here, these sellers dominating at this price range, and this is the clear indication that there are no buyer. So I can simply take a short entry, and you can see that after this zone, this is a sell zone. So this at this price range, this uh, candlestick generated a sell signal. So I can take a sell entry. As you can see, the price move from this 1997 to 1995 zone. And if I scroll back to down, as you can see, let me clear the drawing. This is a live chart, and I will show you where the entry goes after this selling imbalance. So as you can see that the price at selling imbalance was at around 1997, and as you can see, it make a low at around 1993 price range. So you have a benefit over a traditional candlestick, and you can easily take entry with the help of this chart. So let me show you another example of buying imbalance. If you look over to this candlestick over here, this zone, as you can see, as I said, the left side is are the sellers, and on the right side are the buyer. So as you can see from here, the buyer outperforming the sellers on the right side at this price level. So this simply indicate a buy entry, and you can take a buy entry for scalping. And if you are familiar with price action, you can take or hold the entries as per your choice, or as per your, you can say, risk. So as you can see, uh, after having the buying imbalance over this candlestick chart, the price move from the price range of 1995 to 1998. So this is a $3 move, and I think this is a pretty good move in scalping. So you can utilize this candlestick chart, sorry, this footprint chart or order flow trading chart in your scalping strategy very well. And I found it very usable, or you can say very beneficial. So you can learn, and you can ask me about this footprint chart more in the link given in the video. So I will discuss, and I will share more example and more strategy in another video. So thank you and good luck.